On behalf of the IT Wing Commercial Department, Chennai Division, we are proud to present the TTE Resthouse Allotment Web application designed specifically to streamline and document the allotment of a TTE rest house with security, efficiency, and accuracy. Let's log into our application. Once we log in, we are directed to the dashboard where we view the bed allotment along with the name of the rest house. The layout showcases a visual grid of beds, each represented by a color-coded tile displaying occupants in each floor and also the gender. The colors and icon indicate the status of each bed, such as occupied, available, or damaged. At the top right of the page, the ID of the currently logged in user is displayed with a logout button for session control. Below the grid, pagination controls allow navigation through multiple pages, enabling user to efficiently manage occupancy status and optimize space utilization in real time. On the left-hand sidebar, a vertical navigation menu allows access to core modules like dashboard, registration, bed allotment that includes check-in, check-out, and damaged bed details, followed by meal taken and reports. Navigating to the registration menu, let's proceed with a trial credential to validate the functionality of the application. This screen displays a registration form to enter and register a TT personnel into the system. The form features a clean layout with all mandatory fields marked by an asterisk, ensuring critical data is collected without exception. Each registration is identified by a unique TTE lobby ID. Additional drop-downs include division and DT depot, while fields like mobile number and emergency contact capture real-time contact information. Character counters are used to help maintain input limits. At the bottom right, the Submit button saves the entry into the system, while the Reset button clears all fields. With the TTE successfully registered, let's now navigate to the Reports section to verify if the entry has been recorded and reflected in the list. As we can see, the name of the registered TTE is now displayed in the Reports section, confirming that the registration was successfully recorded. Now that the TTE is registered and listed, we proceed to check him in. On verifying the TTE lobby ID, the TTE's registered details are displayed in a non-editable format for reference. Below, in the allotment form, the TTE is required to select the meals required, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner, as per their preference. Based on the TTE's gender, the system is designed to filter and display only eligible and available beds in the drop-down list, excluding ones that are already occupied or marked as damaged, ensuring an error-free allotment process. Additionally, the arrival train number is a mandatory field and must be entered to proceed. At the bottom, a reset option to clear the form and a check-in option to confirm the allotment are provided. Once the check-in form is submitted with all the required details, the system immediately displays a success alert confirming that the TTE has been successfully checked in and the bed allotment is complete. Now we navigate to the meal taken component, which provides a comprehensive overview of the meals requested and distributed on the current day, helping to streamline daily catering operations. Each row displays the details of a checked-in TTE, indicating whether he has opted for the meal and whether it has been taken. The meal status can be updated to taken using the Mark as Taken button under the Action column. This ensures real-time tracking and accountability for meal distribution across all TTEs currently accommodated. Now that the TTE is successfully checked in, availed the allotted meals, and completed this day, it's time to validate the checkout module. We can confirm that the trial check-in details are listed under the check-in records, indicating an active stay. Let's now navigate to the checkout section to formally conclude the allotment, which releases a bed for future use. Here again, when the lobby ID is entered, all associated details are instantly retrieved and displayed for review. After verifying the information and entering the departure train number, we click on the checkout button. A success alert confirms the completion of the checkout process. For confirmation, we can navigate to the report section where the TTE's updated status is now reflected. At the checkout report, we can now see a complete summary including the lobby ID, bed number, selected meals, arrival and departure train numbers, as well as precise check-in and check-out timestamps. The system also calculates the total duration of stay, providing a clear and accurate trackage of bed usage. It's important to note that only a TTE who has been checked out is eligible to check in again. This feature ensures that no overlapping stays occur and the bed availability is managed with complete accuracy. Now again, we enter the lobby ID of a user who has already been checked out to initiate a new check-in. The system validates this ID and allows the process to begin. However, if an ID that is still checked in is entered, the system will restrict the action, preventing duplicate or overlapping allotments. This ensures data consistency and accurate management. We also have a dedicated history section that provides a complete log of all the past check-ins and check-outs. This screen presents the historical report of all completed bed allotments under the checkout section. It provides a detailed log of each TTE's stay, including the lobby ID, bed number, opted meals, arrival and departure train numbers, along with the exact check-in and check-out timestamps. And clicking on a record also displays the registered details. In this application, we can also view the bed allotment history for any specific bed. In the bed history module, by selecting a bed number from the drop-down, the system displays a detailed log of all the TTEs who have previously occupied that bed. The system also allows us to mark a bed as damaged, ensuring it is excluded from future allotments. When a bed is marked as damaged, the system immediately confirms the action with an alert. The bed status is then updated in real time and reflected in the dashboard, ensuring visibility for staff and preventing the bed from appearing in future allotments. Here we see that the bed we marked as damaged has been reflected in the dashboard.